Hello students, I am Aisha Munshi handling SST subject for 4th standard. Students, today we are going to start our first chapter. Our first chapter name is India Forest. India Forest. In this lesson we are going to learn about forest areas in India, importance of forest, types of forests, deforestation and conservation. So student, let's start our first chapter. A forest is a large area of land covered with trees. It is an important natural source. It is not just a huge collection of trees, but it also provides food and shelter to a wide varieties of life forms. Forests cover about one-third of Earth's land area. India is one of the top 10 countries rich in forest cover. India aims to keep at least one-third of the country's total land area under forest and trees cover. So students, this is the introduction of the lesson. In this introduction, we read that in India, what is the forest? Forest means a large area of land which is covered with huge collection of trees. And forest is also an important natural source. Forest is an important natural source. It provides varieties of foods and medicines and shelter to wild animals and many life forms in the forest. So student, in the second paragraph here is forest cover about one-third of the Earth's land area. India is one of the top 10 rich countries in a forest cover. Our India is in the list of top 10 countries rich in a forest cover. India aims to keep at least one-third of the country's total land. One-third of the country's total land are under the forest cover and tree cover. Students, our earth is covered about one-third area. Covered about one-third area of forest. And India is also on the top 10 countries which are in a forest cover. In India, we aims that at least one-third land of our country is under forest and tree cover. So student, next is importance of forest. Trees enrich the atmosphere by absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen, which is needed by human beings and animals to live. Second important thing of forest is forests are home to wide variety of plants and animals. Third importance is forest helps to produce rainfall. Next importance of forest is that they prevent soil erosion, that is forests save the soil from being blown away by wind or washed away by the flowing water. Last importance is forests give us many useful products such as medicines, firewood, timber for furniture and food. So student, I will explain the importance of forest. First one is they enrich the atmosphere by absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen, which is needed by human beings and animals to live. Student, forests are a huge collection of trees. Forest means huge collection of trees. Trees, it is common simple that trees absorb the carbon dioxide and produce the oxygen for human beings. We can breathe oxygen, and trees give us oxygen for to live. Next importance is forests are home to a wide variety of plants and animals. Students, forests are home to wide variety of plants and animals. Students, in the forest there live wide varieties of animals. You can see in this picture there live many types of animals and many varieties of plants, and the forest is home for these plants and animals. So next importance is forest help to produce rainfall. Students, forests are also helpful for rainfall. They help to rain. Student, next importance is they prevent soil erosion. That is, forests save the soil from being blown away by wind or washed away by flowing water. Student, forests are also helpful for prevent soil erosion, because during the rainfall the soil is in the forest being blown away and by washed away by the flowing water, but the forests can prevent soil erosion. And the last importance is forest give us many useful products such as medicine, firewood, trim for furniture and food. Students, forest is a house of medicines. In the forest there is lots of varieties of plants which can help us in a meditation and being live a good life. We can collect firewood from the forest. We can make furniture from the wood of the trees, and forests also provide many varieties of food. So students, today we learn this much only: introduction of forest and importance of forest. Now it's time to take the homework. Your today's homework is write the importance of the forest 2 times in your SST notebook and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.